comprehensive guide to making money for affiliate marketing beginners. In this video, I'm going to give you a few basic steps to learn before you tackle affiliate marketing. Be sure to click the link in the description below to get more valuable information, especially if you're an affiliate marketing beginner. In the digital age, affiliate marketing has emerged as a powerful means of generating income. With the potential to earn passive income, affiliate marketing offers individuals the opportunity to monetize their online presence and leverage the reach of established brands. However, achieving success in this field requires a well-defined strategy and a proactive approach. In this video, we will explore the fundamental steps to making money with affiliate marketing, providing valuable insights and actionable tips for aspiring beginner affiliates. Before diving into the world of affiliate marketing, it is crucial to grasp its fundamental concept. Affiliate marketing involves promotional products or services on behalf of a company or brand and earning commission for each successful referral or sale. The affiliate acts as a bridge between the potential customer and the seller, utilizing various marketing techniques to drive traffic and encourage conversions. The symbiotic relationship between affiliates and companies allows individuals to monetize their online platforms and capitalize on their influence. Selecting a niche is a critical step in establishing a successful affiliate marketing venture. By focusing on a specific industry or interest, you can position yourself as an authoritative figure and build credibility with your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify niches that align with your expertise and have a substantial demand. Additionally, ensure that your chosen niche has a wide range of relevant products or services available for promotion, as this will maximize your earning potential. Once you've determined your niche, the next step is to research and select suitable affiliate programs. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer products or services that resonate with your audience. Factors to consider include the commission structure, cookie duration, payment methods, and the reputation of the affiliate network or program. Popular affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide variety of products and are good starting points for beginners. It's essential to read the program's terms and conditions thoroughly to understand the commission rates and any restrictions or limitations. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Create a website or blog that reflects your chosen niche and provides valuable content to your audience. Focus on producing high quality, engaging, and informative content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic and utilize social media platforms to expand your reach and engage with your audience. Building an email list is also an effective strategy for nurturing relationships with your audience and promoting affiliate products. To make money with affiliate marketing, you must employ effective promotion strategies. Develop a comprehensive content marketing strategy that includes product reviews, tutorials, comparison articles, and informative blog posts. Incorporate affiliate links strategically within your content, ensuring they are relevant and seamlessly integrated. Utilize social media platforms to share your content, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. Consider leveraging influencing marketing collaborations or blogging on established websites within your niche to expand your reach. Additionally, employ email marketing campaigns to promote affiliate products to your subscribers, providing value while encouraging conversions. In conclusion, while making money with affiliate marketing requires dedication, strategy, and consistent effort, It's an accessible and potentially lucrative endeavor. By understanding the basics of affiliate marketing, selecting a niche, researching and choosing suitable affiliate programs, building an online presence, and implementing effective promotion strategies, you can set yourself up for success in this ever-growing field. Remember, patience, perseverance, and consistency are the key attributes to develop a strong affiliate marketing business. Be sure to click the link in the description below to get more valuable information, especially if you're an affiliate marketing beginner.